So before I even put him in the oven yet again, I will see what details I have to fix up that I've accidentally ruined while I was putting him together. There's a little hair there, I don't want it there. Ouch, go away. Right, now I'm going to go over him again, smooth where I need to, fix where I have to, and then he will go into the oven for an hour for this size baby at probably 130 Celsius degrees. I'm using an electric conventional oven, meaning that it's just my kitchen oven. Just saw something there that I could have, yep. And then I switch the oven off when the hour's up and let him cool in the oven completely. I find that helps avoid cracks. If you want, another thing that does help is placing a damp rag, like a kitchen towel, over the top of him while he's curing. Okay, but if you do get cracks, in any case, they can be fixed. Why am I doing it the hard way? Why am I doing it the hard way? Alright, so, now, this is Muslim. I think it's Muslim what they call it. It's what you wrap up newborn babies in if they want to feel snug, but it's too warm to... I've just ruined it here. Too warm to put them in a blanket, and they can still feel snug and warm without... sorry guys, I've just got to fix this. Without getting overheated. Okay. Try that other one. That might be burned as well. Yes it is. So this is your time to check. Check and see. What needs to be fixed before he's finally cured. Okay, so I'm just going to go over him, as I said again. Oh, sorry, I was doing it. Yeah, okay, so that's the Muslim wrap. See how I get distracted? Sorry. Then I have a thick, whoops, let's see it, layer of wadding. Okay, so you get that from your Manchester store. Oh, it wouldn't be Manchester, would it? Craft store maybe. Anywhere where they sell fabrics for sewing. Yeah, just go in there and ask for wadding, which is what this is. So it gives them a nice, comfortable cushion layer. That's to prevent him from sticking to that. And at the bottom of it all, I've got some baking powder. Baking paper. Just there. Like that. And I've used this. I've lost count how many times I've used this now. The same arrangement as you see. For baking babies. So you can use it quite a few times before you have to replace it, is what I'm trying to say. Okay guys, I'm going to just fix him up in bits and pieces, bake him, and then when he's done baking, I will bring him back and show you what he looks like, and we'll see whether we go ahead and do the silicone glove or not with this little boy, because I have got other things to work on as well. If you want, I can show you how to do an open-eyed baby. The procedure's all exactly the same from the neck down, obviously. The head's always going to be different. So yeah, subject boxes are there. If you want to, just let me know.